of Kuki Inpi and Kuki Students Organization left for Chasad village under Kamjong district this morning to provide aid to the villagers of Chasad after yesterday's incident. Notably, the village had been under tension over alleged burning of jhum cultivation area. Many houses were burned down amid the tension. Nagaland government has announced a blanket ban on entry of tourists in the state from March 18 to prevent the outbreak of deadly novel coronavirus. The decision was taken during a high-level meeting in presence of Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio in Kohima yesterday. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi took stock of the coronavirus situation in the state. The governor held a meeting with the officials of health and family welfare and disaster management in the conference hall of Raj Bhavan yesterday. The number of coronavirus cases touched 124 in India after fresh cases were reported from several states, including Orissa, as the government imposed fresh travel restrictions prohibiting entry of passengers from the European Union countries and the United Kingdom from March 18. The Union Health Ministry also said fresh coronavirus cases were also reported from Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Kerala. A fresh case was also reported from Kerala this morning.